Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the very first FYI Friday video. So I've been wanting to do something like this for like quite some time, where I do kind of like a weekly little tip for you guys, like one single tip instead of just like one video with like a million things in it. Here we go. So my first FYI Friday tip is getting a good base makes for a better makeup application. So basically just making sure to kind of really take care of your skin first and foremost, because obviously that is the base that you're going to be working off of. So if, unfortunately, like I feel like it kind of sucks because some people really do have skin problems. I myself used to have like really bad skin problems. And I just remember when I did have those problems, I used to layer really thick like matte foundations over it to try to hide it. And I feel like in my memory, it just made it look worse because I was trying to cover a bunch of texture with even more like full coverage thick foundation, which just ended up looking cakey and it was not good. Before like diving into the whole like, you know, wanting a whole, I don't want to sit here and say like, oh, I have amazing skin, because I don't have amazing skin. Like you've seen me without makeup before, and obviously like I still struggle with certain parts of my skin not being good. But if you make sure to kind of just put a little bit more focus into your skincare rather than in your makeup, just starting off, it's gonna be easier for you to have smoother foundation, to have, you know, colors meshing together a little bit better. Also, it's not always like what you slather on your face and what you're, you know, putting on at night. A lot of that is a huge help, obviously, but what you put into your body comes out. Like not, you know, it comes out and it shows through your skin. The skin is our largest organ, so you gotta kind of like feed it and really nourish it. So just make sure, you know, you're eating clean, which I will be the first to say I do not eat clean enough. It's a big struggle. It's something that I've been trying to get better at. But when you eat better food, better results are going to come out. I know that when I eat like chips, like greasy chips or greasy pizza or chocolate, I will immediately, like the next day, I have a breakout on my face. So what you put in definitely shows. So try to just eat better, you know, if your diet is not great. Try to exercise. Another thing that I struggle with, I really need to get better about, but exercising, obviously, you know, that is good for your body. Also, another thing is just to really make sure that you're drinking plenty of water. That's something that I have really kind of made myself get better at. I used to not drink any water at all. This is weird, but milk is my drink of choice. I have milk right here, which is really good for you. Don't get me wrong, it's very good for you. But water is going to be even better for you. So with me, like I'm graduated now, but when I was in school, I would make sure that I always had a water bottle with me because I was so awkward in class that I would like, I don't know, to avoid talking to people and to avoid answering questions, I would constantly just be sipping on my water. So I would get all my water intake. So now I have it at work. So anytime that I go into the back room to get, you know, towels or anything like that, I make sure that I'm drinking my water. So really make sure to just get water into your system because it is very, very good for you. Another thing that I just recently have started doing because my mom is really, you know, getting into putting good stuff into your body. So I've been taking fish pills, which they have like amazing benefits. It's great for your skin, great for your hair, great for your nails, everything. So I've been trying that out. Those are really good if you're kind of wanting like something like that. But the biggest thing, in my opinion, other than, you know, obviously take care of your body because it's gonna show, but the biggest thing for me is just make sure that you are always washing your face every single night and morning if you want to, if you have like really, you know, problematic skin. I don't like, I used to, you know, if I would drink too much or if I was at a friend's house and forgot, you know, my face wash, I would not even, like, I wouldn't ask for a face wash. I wouldn't wash my face. I would just go to sleep with my full face of makeup on. And I've always been like this. I've always worn makeup like this on a day-to-day. So having this much makeup on at night and then leaving it overnight is very bad for your skin. It clogs your pores. So make sure that you are washing your face every single night. And you don't just have to like wash your face on days that you're wearing makeup. Make sure that you're also washing it on days that you just haven't worn makeup at all day, because pollution in the air is also going to clog your pores and be really bad for it. So all around, just make sure that you're washing your face at least once a day, every single day. Another thing that I recently have been doing is I've been toning my face with witch hazel after I get out of the shower or after I wash my face. So basically, toner just helps to kind of go that extra mile to get all of the makeup and all of the, you know, impurities off of your face. There's been times where I've washed my face and then I tone it and there's like a whole little like cotton pad full of makeup still that just hadn't come off. Also, make sure that you're moisturizing your skin. Even if you're someone with oily skin, make sure that you are putting moisturizer on, because what could possibly be happening is that your face is not getting enough moisture, that it's overproducing the oil to try to add that moisture back to itself. So even if you have like oily skin, that doesn't mean that you don't need to moisturize. So just always, you know, make sure that you are moisturizing. And then 2 more things that I've also been doing lately is making sure that I'm exfoliating at least twice a week. And I've been popping some spot cream onto little spots. So I actually exfoliate. There is, when I was doing Influencer, I don't do it too much anymore, but they sent me some products from Dermalogica, and they have this little mitt that you can just put on your fingers, and it's like rubbery and it has like little like pokey things out of it. So I'll use that to exfoliate my face, just because, I don't know, I feel like it's a little bit less harsh on my skin than like little hard beads. So I'll do that at least twice a week. And the spot cream, I've just been putting that on every single night. I've been using the Kate Somerville Exfoliate spot cream. So all you do is you don't shake it. I learned that. You don't shake it. It does separate like the ingredients, but you leave it like that. And you take a Q-tip and you just dab right down into the bottom to grab some of the like pink stuff, and you just dab it on your spots and you leave it on until morning, and then you just wipe it off. Okay, so long story short, basically just make sure that you are really going that extra mile to really care for your skin. Alrighty guys, so this is the end of the very first FYI Friday video. Let me know if you guys liked this video. Hit the like button down below if you did. Subscribe to my channel, obviously. So yeah, I will see you guys in next week's FYI Friday video. Have a good one.